Hey freelancers, struggling to pick the best CRM for your business in 2025? Today we're comparing Honeybook, Dubsado, and 17 hats to help you decide. Let's keep it quick and simple. First, Honeybook. Honeybook is super easy to use with a clean design. It's great for managing clients, sending invoices, and creating proposals. It has a mobile app so you can work on the go. Plus, it's awesome for creative folks like photographers or event planners. But it's a bit pricey, and some features like deep customization are limited. Next, Dubsado. Dubsado is all about flexibility. You can customize forms, contracts, and workflows to fit your brand. It's perfect for small businesses that want to scale. It also integrates with tools like QuickBooks and Zapier. The downside, it can feel tricky to set up if you're not tech savvy. Now 17 hats. 17 hats is simple and budget friendly, ideal for new freelancers. It handles invoices, contracts, and bookkeeping well with direct bank syncing. It's not as flashy though and lacks some advanced automation and customization options. So how do they compare? Ease of use. Honeybook wins for its simple interface and mobile app. 17 hats is also easy but feels clunky at times. Dubsado needs more setup but offers more control. Customization. Dubsado is the champ here, letting you tailor everything. Honeybook and 17 hats are less flexible. Who wins? It depends. Pick Honeybook for ease, Dubsado for flexibility, or 17 hats for affordability. Try their free trials to see what clicks for you. Thanks for watching. Choose the CRM that fits your vibe and grow your business in 2025. Like and subscribe for more videos.